Have you ever turned your USB into a bootable drive? Maybe to install Windows and you now just want it back to normal storage, but it's not working. You try to format it and suddenly the option is missing, or the drive looks smaller than it should, or worse, it doesn't show up properly at all. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest and safest way to convert your bootable USB or external drive back into a fully usable normal drive without using any third-party software or any complicated tool, just an inbuilt Windows command. Let's get started. Before we jump into the fix, here is a quick explanation. When you create a bootable USB, your drive is restricted, partitions are modified, and sometimes hidden system files are added. That's why normal formatting doesn't always work afterward. So what we are going to do is completely reset the drive and rebuild it from scratch. Click on the Windows search and type cmd. Then you run command prompt as administrator. Click yes to continue. Now this is where we will run our commands. Open disk partition 2 by typing the following command. Type diskpart and press enter. This tool allows us to manage disk at a deeper level than normal Windows settings. Now, to view all connected drives, type list disk, then you press enter. You will see a list of all drives connected to your computer. Pay close attention here. Identify your USB drive by its size. For example, disk 0 is my main system drive and disk 2 is my USB drive. So make sure you select the correct one. This is very important. To select your USB, type select disk. Mine is disk 2, so I'll type select disk 2. So you replace it with your actual USB disk number. Then you press enter. You should see a confirmation message that says the disk is selected. Now we are going to clean the drive, which is a very important step. Type clean, then you press enter. This will completely wipe the drive, removing all partitions and data. After a few seconds, you will see a success message. Let's go ahead and create a new partition by typing this command. Type create partition primary, then you press enter. This creates a fresh partition on your drive. Now let's format the drive again. Type this command. Format space fs equals part32 space quick, then you press enter. This will quickly format your USB. Wait until it reaches 100%. Once done, close the command prompt and you can unplug your USB and plug it back in. In most cases, your drive will appear in File Explorer as a clean normal storage device. If your drive still doesn't show up or if you don't see your drive, here is what to do. Right click on the start button and then click on disk management. Find your USB drive. It might show as raw or unallocated. Right click and then choose delete volume. Then you click yes. Head down and then right click again and then select new simple volume. Click next and then assign the drive a letter. Then you click next and then choose format this volume with the following settings. You can go for NTFS or FAT32 and you give the volume a name and you check perform a quick format. You click next, then you click finish. And that's it. You've successfully converted your bootable USB drive back into a normal fully usable storage device. That's the end of this tutorial. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, drop a comment if you had any issues, and then subscribe for more simple and powerful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.